So guys, this was the movement we did yesterday. Our prediction yesterday was that we had to expect Bitcoin to actually smash a level of 80,000, 531. That was the level we were expecting Bitcoin to actually hit. Guess what market did? Market did give us the movement. This was the prediction yesterday, which was it. Although it gave us a pullback, but before this market closed bearish, market was able to give us that massive high that came to hit a level of 80,531. So our prediction was very much correct. Today, we will be expecting market to actually come to that same level of 80,531. So today's analysis is actually brought to you by Forex. With Forex, traders can have access to a lot of trading instruments, from the Forex to the crypto to the stocks to the indices and also futures, with convenient mobile trading that can help you stay connected to the markets. Forex is currently offering an exciting promotional opportunities that include the 30% deposit bonus. So whatever deposit you make, you are going to get 30% of it. So to be part of this, make sure you visit instaforex.com. You will find the link in the description. Now back to our analysis right here, guys, on Bitcoin. We can see right here, we are currently trading at 79,000. That is the level we are expecting. We have to expect market to come back again to a level of, maybe we might want to target this time a level of 80,390. So let's see if we can target a level of 80,390 for the day. So a buy is what we have to expect. That is what we have to expect. If in case there will be changes to this prediction that we just did, if in case there will be changes, always make sure your buyers are flexible. If in case there will be changes, I'll come here to give you guys the updates and I'll let you guys know what you should expect next. If you find this analysis very helpful, do not forget to visit instaforex.com. Once again, we are to anticipate for a bullish move for the day.